You'll love the comfort, security and privacy of this well-presented townhouse in a small complex within the fashionable Martha Street precinct. Upstairs offers a master bedroom with a spacious walk-in robe and a private balcony where you can relax and enjoy both urban and city views. There's also 2 double bedrooms, each with generously sized built-in robes. There's dual access to the main bathroom from the hallway and the master bedroom, as well as a light-filled open study area. Downstairs there's a modern neutral coloured kitchen with stainless steel appliances and dishwasher recess. From the living and dining areas you'll look out onto the leafy northwest facing courtyard, a great place to entertain guests in the shade of the paved pergola area. There's ample storage in the double lock-up garage with room for 2 cars plus all of your sporting equipment. The internal laundry offers ease and convenience and includes an adjacent water closet. Additional features include a powerful breeze-maker air circulation system to keep you cool on those warm summer nights and a handy intercom for added security. The central location of this property lends itself to easy access to the CBD, schools, shopping and transport. Be quick if you want to secure yourself a premium slice of the Camp Hill lifestyle.